it right out. Yes, you guessed it, folks. We are at the world famous Rooster Cogburn Ostrich.
This is one roadside attraction that you will not want to miss. This is a place we like to visit about once a year, but we knew this trip would be a little bit different because back in December 29, 2017, one of their monster trucks rolled over during their educational tour of the ranch.
Yeah, they'll bite. That's why they're behind the fence. And if you look, there's a sign that says, "Not responsible for accidents."
Let's get started with the top 5 reasons of why you may want to take your family to this roadside attraction. Number 5, they have a fun shooting gallery that I am sure your family will enjoy.
There it goes.
I did it again.
Yep, we're heading into Stingray.
Number 4, feeding the stingrays is a unique experience if you've never done it before.
You guys like it? Oh, it's good. You guys both try it?
Yeah. That squid?
It is. So what you guys are going to do with the squid, you're going to pitch it between your middle and ring fingers. So that middle line, palm up. This is going to watch the way you guys are just doing it, okay? They'll see that and they'll come straight to your hand, they'll start sucking on your hand. There you guys go. Just like that. Go a little bit deeper, bud. There's your step up a little bit. Here, I'll help you, bud. Don't worry, okay?
You won't fall in, bud.
Ow!
It feels weird, huh?
Yeah, gee, when I first...
Coming in at number 3 is the cutest smiling donkey, and on top of that there's a couple other donkeys also learning to smile, so you will not want to miss it.
Look.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you go do it.
At number 2, doesn't everyone want to kiss a goat at least once?
You know what you gotta do?
You gotta put your cheek up to a goat. Oh my god.
Put the food in your mouth, get a big long piece.
Wait, a food in my mouth.
Yeah, you put it between your lips, you hold it with your lips, and then you put it up and they eat it out of your lips.
Oh, that's gross.
There you go, that's a good long one.
Mommy, yuck!
Alright, let's go.
I do not.
Oh, come on. Any of them are ready. Uh-oh, not that one. He'll throw up on you. Pull it right out.
He put his hand
That was very weird. Papa, give me the ball. Papa, give me the ball.
And for number 1, of course, it's the educational monster truck tours around the ranch. However, currently the tours are not running, but we've got really good news for you. They will start back up in August or September with brand new trucks.
Now they'll still flower, they'll still fruit, they'll still do all that. The only problem is sometimes the other chihuahuas make fun of them.
Tips and suggestions based on our experience. You will want to follow the circuit that they recommend because the feed they give you is in the order of the animals and what they eat. Be sure to take a camera because there are so many adorable and cute little moments that you will want to capture on film. The best time to go is early in the morning. It can get really hot, and in addition to that, you will want lots of water. They do have vending machines on site, but there's no food, so you'll want to either eat before you go or pack a picnic lunch. And you'll want to allow 2 to 3 hours. It seems like you would get in there and get through in an hour, but if you get talking to the staff members and interacting with them, they are so friendly and fun, and they have all types of information to share with you. So you'll want to allow 2 to 3 hours. I have also put together for you a family escapade guide to the Rooster Cogburn Ostrich Ranch. You can head on over to FamilyEscapades.com. This guide will have the information you need to take your family on this fun escapade.
You're not spoiled.
If you would like to become a member, and get exclusive access, benefits, and support the work I do in helping families to make memories with their loved ones, head on over to my Patreon site where you can find out more information. From our families to yours, a big hug, and we will see you on the next escapade.